Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to fix the command mkvirtualenv not found on Ubuntu. This is the error you will get if you try to type mkvirtualenv in the terminal. To fix it, you'll need to install the virtualenv wrapper package into the same global site packages area where virtualenv is installed. Administrative privileges are required for this installation. First of all, update the system package list. Then install Python build tools. Next, install the virtualenv and virtualenv wrapper packages with apt package manager. With Python 3. First, confirm the location of the virtualenv wrapper script. Then edit the following bashrc file. Add the following lines to the end. Now source your bashrc file. You can also set the workon_home variable to a custom path. If the directory does not exist when virtualenv wrapper is loaded, it will be created automatically. Try to run the mkvirtualenv command. To enable your project virtual environment at any time, run the following command. To exit, run the following command. You should now be able to work on your Python project with virtualenv and virtualenv wrapper script.